Now, you can never have any excuse of saying that you will not get a property in 2026. Yes, we are in the second half of the year. So this is me in this beautiful property right here in Orchid Lekki, Lagos. If you talk about good road network, I bring it to you. If you talk about good environment, I bring it to you. If you talk about constant electricity, clean water, I bring it to you. I do not bring property that do not have those essential basic amenities. And with that, I welcome you to this beautiful masterpiece of 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex. This property is on 2 floors. Right here you can see. The good thing about this property is that you can see, just take a look at the environment on a stamped concrete, very clean environment with natural plants, yes, in this place. So we do not have artificial plants, we have natural plants all planted for you. So you can see that we are thoughtful about our environment. So when you come here, you have 2 parking space with a car lot all here for you. So you do not have an excuse to say that the place does not have a car lot. You come and start spending money to put car lot. No, we've sorted that already for you. So welcome to this beautiful 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex right here in Orchid, in a secured estate, flood-free, constant electricity, clean water, and beautiful environment. Just bumping into my page, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and stay glued on this channel. Please, I am begging you, subscribe on my page, share my videos. Please stay glued and watch my video to the end as a means to support me. You can share to your family and friends. So thank you, and stay and watch this video to the end. Now let's go tour this property. Welcome to the living room. So this is your living room downstairs right here. I told you that this property is on 2 floors. Yes, you have your TV console, your wide window for your ventilation right here, and then you have another, or actually you have a cross ventilation in here. Then by my left here, you see you have your scissors toilets here. Yes, all coming with these lights. You can see you have tessel lights by your staircase. Then by my left here is you have your kitchen. Now let's see the kitchen. Well, the house is not so spacious, but like I said, it's on 2 floors. So the kitchen is coming fitted with a 5-burner cooker, kitchen island, double door refrigerator space, heat extractor, oven, microwave, and all these cabinets. And also we have double wash hand basin right here. Now let's go upstairs and see what we have upstairs. Family lounge. So this is the 1st floor, and here we have 3 rooms on the 1st floor with a family lounge. Now let's take a look at the 3 rooms we have here upstairs, and then we go to the last floor and see the master's bedroom. Let's take a look at the 3 rooms we have on the 1st floor. Now join me, let's go to the last floor. Welcome to the last room. Well, actually, if I'm to judge, I would say that the rooms are not, they are quite small. You know, I love to do honest review. Yeah, so the rooms are quite small. So this is basically the master's bedroom, or you can take the one on the first floor, still facing this way. So you have your balcony, you have your walk-in closet, and then you have this is the master's bedroom basically. So actually, the environment is very fantastic. Now, if you're in the market and this property excites you, this property is market for 200 million naira. Yes, 200 million naira. If you can hold me, right now, I will promise you, you can still get good deal for you. That's the extent I go for my people, for my spec, and for my clients. Yes, so you can call me right away. Promise you, you can negotiate something fantastic for you. So this is 200 million naira, 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex in a good and wonderful environment, clean water, flood free, light, constant electricity, and so on. All the basic amenities are here. Presently, you can see that there's electricity, zero noise in this environment. Now, if this property interests you, all you need to do is to dial my number. My number is on the screen. Call me and I'm willing to bring you here for inspection. My name is Amrachi. So please remember, if you have watched up to this moment, thank you, and please remember to share and also spread the news to your families and friends, and also watch other of my videos. I promise you'll get something tangible from my page. Now, until you see me on your screen again. Bye bye.